What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, the #1 space for photographers, entrepreneurs, and online content creators. For those of you who are new here, my name is Moorea with Moorea Thill Photography. I'm a professional photographer and videographer based in Maui, Hawaii. Today we're going over my prep of what I do before a wedding. So it's about noon right now. I have a wedding in about 2 hours. So basically the first thing that I'm doing is I am taking my camera and I have a million cards here, all my CF cards and my SD cards, and I am formatting all of them so that when they're in my little pouch of SD cards and CF cards, I know that they're formatted and ready to go. I can just grab it and pop it in. Today I am doing a contracted wedding, so this isn't my work. I can't take you guys behind the scenes, but the way that it works with this particular contractor is she likes to have cards that have low memory on them so that in case, God forbid, a card be corrupted, it's only one card and we still have the backup, which I actually really like and I might adopt into my own personal system, but yeah, that's why I have so many of them. Okay, so you can see like this card is full, card full. So I'm just gonna come into the menu and format this puppy. There we go, done. And I have about 5 more to go. And today we're shooting at the Four Seasons, which is really exciting because I love this property. Everyone who works there is so nice. So one thing I will tell you guys is today I'm shooting with Samantha, one of my good friends, and she is an awesome elopement photographer. So we're gonna have a lot of fun, but she just got a MagMod system for Christmas. So you better believe the off-camera flash is going to be on point today. I'm very excited. I'm actually gonna give you guys, I'm gonna show you my flow of what I do before a wedding, and then I'm going to explain the modifiers that I'm bringing and why I'm bringing them. Because for weddings, it's just a little bit different. And I feel like for weddings, you always kind of want to err on the side of bringing too much gear instead of not bringing enough gear. Because once you're there, you're there. Okay, so all these cards are formatted. Now I'm going to prep both of my cameras. The camera I'm filming on right now is my R. That's my backup camera for weddings because it doesn't have 2 slots. Yeah, hopefully Canon gets it together and gets in the mirrorless game and gives us something with 2 card slots that's mirrorless, because I know, like, I love the Mark IV, but I like the R way better. I think that the dynamic range on it is way, way better. And if the R had 2 slots, I would sell the Mark IV and buy 2 Rs. But that's not the case right now. So we're doing with what we got. So one thing I want to show you guys is today for weddings, I actually bring 2 bags. So I'm going to bring this huge bag. This is going to be my lighting bag. And then the camera bag is what I keep my lenses in. With the camera bag, basically this will stay on my back all day. It's going to get hot. It's going to get sweaty. It's a beach wedding. It happens. So I'm going to keep all my lenses in here with my light modifiers, and my cards and all my media goes in the front pouch. That way in the middle of the wedding I can flip my backpack around super quick, grab a new card, and keep going. Everything is about timing with weddings. So you just got to have a flow. You'll find your own, especially if this is new to you, your first wedding. You'll learn quickly. There you go. So now I have my backup card formatted for the 5D. It's a 64 gig. I probably won't need to change it today. If I do, I'll just pop in another one of her cards. But I'm going to start off with a 16 gig. One thing that's really important about wedding cards is that they write fast, because weddings go fast. So this one writes at 120 MB per second. Okay, so in this front pouch I have, in this pouch is 1 extra battery, even though I have like a million extra batteries in the backpack. This is just like for ceremony. I know exactly where I can just switch it out if I need it. And then all of my cards go in this bag along with extra AA batteries for my flash if I need it, because I bring the speed light with me just in case. This is my pouch that I'll put my finished cards on. That way I'm not mixing up what I've shot on and what is formatted. So this goes in here. Like I said, I have my own form of organization. You'll find yours. This is my personal media. This goes in here too. And that is all set. And then looking at this one, this is all good. This is ready to rock and roll. We'll turn it off. We're going to put it in the camera until we get to the venue. This pouch has a ton of extra batteries. It also has my light adapter. And so like I said, my bags kind of shift for weddings. So this is going to become my lighting bag. So I'm going to take out my mag sphere, and in there I keep my little trigger. Take that out, take out the gels and the grids. And the reason why I switch it into my other bag is because it makes it easier for me, especially when we're using off-camera flash, to switch things out really quick. My little gel wallet, this has like all the colors you could ever need. Amazing. My mag grip, the speed light, and the GODOX AD200. So, oh, here's the 64 gig. Duh. I'm gonna zip this up, and of course I have like cleaning supplies and stuff with me. I'm also bringing the mag bounce. I don't really use this that much, but it is actually really, really helpful for specific shots. I don't know if I'll use it tonight. We'll see. Since this is a wedding, we're bringing the 70-200, the beast. So I got to make room in my bag for this and kind of readjust because this thing is so ridiculous. There you go. So we got the 70-200. We're bringing the 51.2, the 16-35, and that's kind of it on lenses. That's really all I need. As far as lighting goes, I do like to bring a LED video light, and this is just a super, super small one. I most likely won't use this because I think Samantha is bringing the other LEDs. But in the event that she doesn't, we have this one as a backup. I'm also bringing the mag snoot. I don't use this one very much, but who knows? Maybe I'll get creative. It's just nice to have it though. It's all sandy right now. I gotta wash these. That's the nice thing about MagMod also, is because everything is silicone and magnets, you can just run it under the water and wash it, especially in Hawaii. Another thing that I bring on wedding days, coconut strips. I have to have snacks. Like, have to. I get very hangry if I don't. And I don't want to be a hangry photographer. So I bring snacks, I bring water, I bring a little caffeine. So like, there's those, I don't know if you guys have ever seen them, but they're like the little e-shots of energy by Isogenics, and it's just some natural caffeine and adaptogens. I love them, so I'll pack one of those. Hair ties. God, you gotta pack everything on a wedding. So that's kind of everything I'm gonna bring. This camera is gonna go in this bag, and it's nice because I don't want this bag to be so heavy because it's gonna be on my back. So that's why I like to put, the lighting stuff is actually pretty heavy, so to be able to just carry the bag and go is nice. It's still really heavy in this bag. Ooh, side note, I went to hot yoga this morning. Amazing. So good. On a wedding day, like, I feel like in the morning, I just like to take care of my body and eat really healthy and just get myself amped up for the night, because tomorrow I'm going to be tired. Tomorrow will be a relaxing day to just chill and enjoy the new year. This will air tomorrow. I am kind of behind on my posting schedule right now. I took the week off because, you know, Christmas and Hanukkah and New Year's, it's like, I just wanted to spend time with family, and I'm sure you all can understand that. Okay, so in the bag, a couple other snacks in here. Let's pack this bag. We're gonna put the speed light in, and let's make sure we got half of a battery left for the AD200, which is plenty. This will still last me about 2 to 3 shoots. This thing is just amazing. So I'll probably charge it tonight though when I get home, just in case, because they have another wedding in like 2 days. Snoot, colors, grids and colors, sphere, adapter, grip, LED, bounce. Okay, that's it. And this is a wedding where I'm not doing dual coverage, so I don't really have to worry about like packing the mic, packing the tripods, packing the gimbal, all those things. This is just photography, so it's so nice because videography takes it to a whole nother level, and you're like literally carrying your life in Pelican cases down to the beach and on a rolly. It's ridiculous, but it's so worth it. I'll have to bring you guys on a video gig one time. They're just a little bit more complex, and I already have a hard time focusing on capturing behind the scenes for photography, so I don't know if it would really work for video, but we're gonna try it one day. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That is what I pack for a wedding day. This is kind of my getting ready process. Now I have about 2 hours to kind of cruise and chill, and that's the most important thing for me. Is I don't like feeling rushed on weddings at all because they're already stressful enough. So I'll get to the venue early, I'll scope it out. We're doing getting ready photography too. So we're going to an off-site condo, and then we're going on-site to Four Seasons. So yeah, there's a lot going on, but I'm just gonna kind of like chill, have some lunch, and then head over to Samantha's house so we can carpool to the venue. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about what I pack for a wedding day, please leave them below. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out and help you find your flow for wedding photography days. It can be a little chaotic. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And before you leave, in the description below, I have a link to my free Lightroom preset. And you guys can snag it, use it, tag me in your photos, have some fun, and then I want you to get out there and create something beautiful and post it in our private Facebook group where we talk all things photography, mostly about off-camera flash, but I have a big secret that I'm going to share with you guys right now. I actually have a really big project that I've been working on just for you guys, and I'm so excited. It should be ready in a couple weeks, but it is a behind the scenes map / blueprint of all my off-camera flash work that I do, because I get so many questions from people asking me, where do you place your flash? What's the power at? What modifiers are you using? What's your Kelvin at? What gels are you using? Just like tons of questions. So I'm gonna make you guys a little blueprint, and when that releases, you'll be the first to know, but I'm almost done with it, so I'm really excited. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.